So friends, glad to see you. Let's start our trading session. I want to say that all concepts have already been selected. Today we're trading on the Quotex broker. Our balance is $50. And you ask what is needed to maximize this balance. All I need is this amount and my private MetaTrader strategy. You can find detailed description and method of obtaining and this strategy in my Telegram channel. Will not hesitate and move to the MetaTrader. So, as usual, all concepts are matched. So here we will look for the best entry into the deal and win back from various situations. Basically, it's support and resistance zone. We will also look at the whole situation. And let's start. As soon as I find a suitable trade entry, we will continue. Let's stop on this concept, move on to the broker. The opening of the deal occurs for the purchase. Let's move to the MetaTrader. Let me explain the principle of entry. Let's choose a work area for ourselves. We see that all indicators of the Holy Grail are blue. We also see that our price indicator is also at the top of the chart. Then we see potentially upward movements from this zone. The movement went up. The low points are starting to update and in theory reopens according to the trend. This movement, I like this movement here. So since we saw that a rollback was formed here early and the movement should go up. And we are on broker and there is literally little left before closing. Deal closes in plus perfect. $87 on the balance. First positive deal will not stop. As soon as there is a good entry into the deal, we'll continue. So let's choose this concept. The opening of a deal is for purchase. I want it a little lower, no very opens. Let's get back to the MetaTrader and I will explain the principle of entry. Select the work area. We see that there was a small rollback and I will explain the principle of entry. Choose the work area. We see that there was a small rollback and our prices indicator is in the upper part of our zones. The move should go up. As the resistance zone is still there and the movement should gradually increase, and after such a movement, entering a buy deal is a very option. And we did not miss it. We'll return to the broker. While the movement suits, the deal closes in plus. Our balance $149. The deal closed in plus, as I said. After this rollback, the movement went up. Let's move on to the MetaTrader. Let's choose this concept. Move to the broker. The opening is for sale. We will not wait for the end of the candle. We will move to MetaTrader. Here we see a downward movement. This go down. This area is crossed down. All indicators are also red down. An easy entry. Let's move to broker. While the moment suits, and I think there will be a way out. The exit has occurred. Zero. I think we'll open another down trade here. We observed a small rollback. You can analyze the situation here. The principle of entering a trade is exactly the same. It's okay. Minimum points updated. The moment goes down. It peaked here, and from here the moments went down after this rollback, from which we played out and went to zero. The moment of go down. Actually, we opened for a fall. Let's just wait. We see a little volatility in this candle. A minute time frame. Successfully closed. The balance is $255. There was a very strong exit, but I was not worried. I was sure that the deal will close in plus. So let's move to the MetaTrader and continue our trading. So let's do this concept out. Opening is for sale. I think the moment will go down. Let's move to the MetaTrader and I explain the principle of entering this trade. Let's select this work area. This area of resistance, one back. Now we have the appearance of a red candle and the moment should go down. I think this is a good entry into the deal. So let's move on to the broker. I think at the last seconds there should be an exit and the trade should close positively, because the correction should end at the moment. And let's wait. Perfect. Close in plus. Some strong broker came in. Oh yeah, we see this. The deal closed positively. Let's see how the movement goes on for a bit. We see a very strong volatility, strong dynamics, and all kinds of paths. I think now it's a little worth slowing down our trading with you on this balance. And as soon as the situation on the market claims down, it will be possible to resume our trading session and move to the MetaTrader. Let's open on this concept app, Euro-Dollar, open for purchase. I think this candle will close now and there should be a small rollback. Let's move to the MetaTrader. We see a downward movement to the work area. We play exclusively on rollback. The movement is going down, as you can see for yourself. The indicator shows us to go down. And after a long strong rollback, the movement should correct a little bit and go up. And we played on this rollback and we will be in plus. I did not expect a strong and large rollback. body candle in this size will completely suit me. Let's start with this concept. Move to MetaTrader. We see a very strong upward movement after that situation, but there is already a potential reversal here since the price previously placed in this corridor, and here we had a neck set, and after giving a strong upward impulse there should be a rollback, and here a potential reversal occurs, and I also think that there should be a rollback to the downside. We place on it and we'll move it to the broker. While the movement suits, well, we have opened the deal. That exit will happen anyway because the candle does not have this strength to go higher, and I feel that it wants to turn around, and there are literally a few seconds left until the deal is completed. Yeah, 1,000 and half on our balance, but today we'll do more. Move to MetaTrader. Let's start with this concept. The opening is volatile. We'll move to the MetaTrader. Here we see a downward movement from this peak point. The movement went down and price high. So the movements went down. We are seeing a certain rollback. The movement is moving at the bottom of the chart, and after this rollback the movement will continue in its downward direction as the trend is strong, and in fact we opened on it. Successful deal. We will move to the broker, and there are literally 10 seconds left before the completion of the deal. Perfect. Good results. Let's not stop. Make a few more closing trades to increase our balance. Move to MetaTrader. So let's move to Quotex. This concept, the opening is for purchase. Move to MetaTrader. Choose a workspace for ourselves. Blue indicator, holy grail, reversal, moments go up, small rollback down. After this, I think the movement should go up. It should still go higher in any way. The deal is close and plus. So move to broker. Yeah, perfect. Deals and plus, 2 deals, $3,600. Perfect. And move to the MetaTrader. Let's choose this concept, move it to the broker. The open amount of deal is for the purchase. Let's move to the MetaTrader and choose a work area. So the same situation. From this level the movements went up. Further, we observe a positive trend from the price indicator, the blue divisions of the indicator, this rollback after this rollback. The moment goes up, everything is natural and transparent. Even the resistance zone at this level and the candle did not reach. Let's move to the broker, and there is a little time left before completion. And deals close in plus $5,500. Perfect. I would rather choose this option rather than take risks and enter a trade where I'm not very confident in them. So let's move to the MetaTrader. Let's stop at discuss above. We'll move to the broker. Yeah, let's move on to MetaTrader. Let me explain the principle of entry. We see downward movements, but we see a positive direction on our times indicator, positive dynamics on the price indicator too. Here we have a downward movement, so you can see it for yourself. Then we have an upward movement, and this is a correction. Should go a little higher. Yeah. So therefore here we have a rollback, and after this rollback the movement should go up. And I think the deal will close in plus as usual. Let's move on to the broker. And there is a little time left to close the deal. The deal is closed in plus. On the balance we see this amount. Perfect. Almost $10,000. I like it. Let's make one more deal. Yeah. So let's choose this concept of deals are opened. Let's move to the MetaTrader. Let me explain the principle of entry. Everything is the same as before. The theoretical positive dynamics, or it's a correction after this rollback. After these downward movements with little volatility, the movement should go up, or it will correct. So there will be rollback, and we will play for rollback. Either the movements will change, the theoretical trend will change to an upward one, but in any case we're in the black, and I think this is a successful closed deal. We also observe positive dynamics on the price indicator and move to the broker. And as I said, our deals closed in plus. $17,000. I'm very pleased with these results. I think you're convinced of this effectiveness of my private strategy. As we started with $50 and now we have $17,000, sorry. Everything is very simple. The usual technical analysis according to my strategy. Everything is easy, you can use it. So thanks for watching, see you later.